around the world. Leads us around the world. And we will be asking Ernest to kiss Lovely in any part of her body, anywhere, any style. And Ernest will do the same. Fergie will do the same to Melissa. Are you ready with the first part? Ernest, come make a request! Request! First part! Saan niyo gusto?
Dila ka agad, dila.
Shake! Ang galing naman. Shake, Sir Fergie. Second part, Ernest. Saan? Close up. Go! Okay, Miss Melissa, close your eyes. Okay. Third part, Ernest. Lower daw, lower. Sa dibdib! Sa dibdib. Go, go, go. Ay, ang balik ni Ernest. Fourth part. Saan? Come on! Chin daw, chin. Alright.